All right, so in this explainer, we're going to break down how you can transform a typical B2B wholesale operation, the kind with a bunch of separate tools that don't talk to each other, into one single smart, automated system. It's all about building a unified interface that doesn't just work, but actually works for you.
So let me ask you this. What really separates a simple online store from a true wholesale empire? It's not just about the volume of sales. Nope. The real secret sauce is the architecture. A unified system built for intelligent, long-term partnerships, not just quick one-off transactions.
And here's the 5-step playbook we're going to follow. First, we'll tackle that pesky wholesale friction. Then we'll build out the digital storefront. After that, we'll automate the customer relationships, layer on some powerful AI, and finally, look at the huge payoff this whole unified system gives you. Okay, first things first. We have got to solve the biggest headache in the wholesale world, friction. I'm talking about getting away from all those endless manual tasks and reactive support calls and moving toward a system that's streamlined, smooth, and proactive. Just look at the difference here. The old way, it's all manual order entry, systems that are all over the place, and constantly just putting out fires. But the smart wholesaler, they're operating with a unified framework, giving their customers self-service portals and using proactive intelligence. And that is the fundamental shift we're shooting for. So with that goal in mind, let's get to building the foundation, the digital storefront. And look, this isn't just any old e-commerce platform. We're talking about a WooCommerce site that is specifically engineered with sophisticated B2B logic baked in from the very beginning. And to get that B2B power, you need the right engine. Here are a few heavy hitters for WooCommerce. Take B2B King, for instance. It's got this integrated quote negotiation system, which, as you know, is absolutely vital for those big B2B deals. Then you've got Wholesale Suite, which stands out with its ridiculously fast Ajax search. I mean, your buyers can find and order products in bulk almost instantly. The plugin you pick here really shapes your customer's entire experience. And your registration form? It's not just a gate, it's your main data collection tool. By adding a simple field for a tax ID, you can automate tax exemptions. A file upload feature? That lets you grab resale certificates for your records. See, this isn't just some boring sign-up form, it's the very start of an intelligent, automated partnership. So once that transactional piece is locked in, we can build the next layer, the relationship engine. This is where we bring in a CRM and automation tools to manage the whole customer lifecycle. We're creating a system that actually fosters a real human connection, but at scale.
Let's just walk through this journey for a second. A new wholesaler registers on your site. Boom, that automatically triggers a process in your CRM. A task gets created to review their documents. Once they're approved, a welcome kit is sent out. The system can even schedule a training call and, get this, flag the account for follow-up if they haven't placed an order within a week. This kind of structured process builds trust right from the get-go.
Now, the glue holding all this magic together is an automation tool like Zapier. You can really think of it as the central nervous system for your entire operation. A new user signs up in WooCommerce, Zapier instantly creates a lead in your CRM. An order gets placed, the opportunity is updated. It connects your storefront, your CRM, even your point of sale system, making sure data flows everywhere it needs to go, seamlessly with zero manual entry. It's a game changer. All right, now for the most advanced layer, the intelligence layer. This is where we bring in AI to level up the entire system. We're moving from just being automated and reactive to being truly proactive and predictive. This, my friends, is where your system actually starts to think. And we do that using a concept called agentic AI. Now, this is a really critical distinction. We're not talking about some simple little chatbot here. Agentic AI is a decision-making operative. It doesn't just spit back answers. It analyzes information, it reasons through complex problems, and it actually takes action on your behalf. So how does this actually work in the real world? Well, with a tool like Gemini built into your spreadsheets, you can ask it questions in just plain English. Imagine just typing, "Hey, show me all the customers who haven't ordered in the last 60 days. The AI dives into the data and instantly gives you a list. Now your team can reach out before you lose them. It's like having a brilliant data scientist on call 24/7. This quote just nails it, doesn't it? Your AI literally graduates from being a simple assistant to becoming a decision-making member of your team, making everyone around it better and smarter. So let's bring it all together and talk about the big payoff. After building all these layers, what have we actually created? Well, it's way more than just a set of tools. we've built a powerful, lasting competitive advantage. So here it is, the whole system at a glance. WooCommerce is handling the transactions. Your CRM is managing the relationship. The AI layer is providing that intelligent automation. And Zapier is the master conductor, tying it all together and making sure it runs like a Swiss watch. Each part has a job, and every single job is designed to make life better for your customer.
Because ultimately, this is what it all boils down to. In the super competitive wholesale market, the winner isn't always the company with the flashiest product. Very often, it's the one that is simply the easiest to do business with. This entire system is engineered around that one powerful idea.
So, we'll leave you with this final thought. Building a system like this gives you incredible intelligence and some serious capabilities. But, the technology is just the beginning. The real question is, with a system this smart, how will you use it to strategically outmaneuver your competition? Your system is now intelligent. Is your strategy?